Today we will talk about thermodynamics. What is thermodynamics? Thermodynamics is that branch of engineering science which deal with the engineers process by gas and vapors. It also includes the conversion of these energies in terms of heat and mechanical work and their relationship with these properties of the system. Then what is thermodynamic system? Thermodynamic system may be defined as a defined area or a place where some thermodynamic process take place. And it may be noted that thermodynamic system has its boundaries, as in it is classified in three system: closed system, open system, and isolated system. What is closed system? Closed system, this is a system of fixed mass whose boundaries are determined by the pace of the working substance occupied in it. In a closed system, heat and work both cross the boundaries, but there is no addition or loss of original mass of the working substance. That's why the mass of the working substance is fixed. And what is open system? Open system, when the working substance crosses the boundaries of the system, the heat and work both cross the boundaries. An isolated system, it is a system of fixed mass and no heat and work can cross the boundary. Then what is properties of system? This state of a system may be identified by certain observable quantities such as volume, temperature, pressure, density, etc. All the quantities which identify the state of a system are called properties. Properties are classified into extensive and intensive properties. Extensive properties, the properties of the system whose value for the entire system is equal to the sum of their individual parts of the system are called extensive properties, like total volume, total mass, total energy. In intensive, the properties of the system whose value of the entire system not equal to the sum of their value of the entire system is called, and which is not depend upon the mass is called intensive properties, like temperature, pressure, density. Then thermal equilibrium. Thermal equilibrium, when there are variation in temperature from point to point of an isolated system. The temperature at every point first changes with time. This rate of change decrease and eventually stop. When no further changes are observed, the system is said to be thermal equilibrium. Zeroth law. What is zeroth law? This law states that when two bodies are thermal equilibrium with a third body, then they are also in thermal equilibrium with each other. Then first law of thermodynamics, this law states that the heat and mechanical work are mutually convertible. According to this law, a defined amount of mechanical work is needed to produce a defined amount of heat and vice versa. This law also states that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. Through it can be transformed from one form energy to another form. According to this law, the energy due to heat supplied must be balanced by external work done plus internal energy due to rise of temperature. Then second law of thermodynamics, this law states that there is a defined limit to the amount of mechanical energy which can be obtained from a given quantity of heat energy. According to Clausius, this law may be stated it is impossible for a self-acting machine working in cyclic process to transfer heat from a body at lower temperature to a higher temperature without any external work. The second law of thermodynamics has also been stated as a clearing plank, as it is impossible to construct an engine working on a cyclic process whose sole purpose is to convert heat energy into work energy. According to this statement, this second law of thermodynamics is sometimes called as law of degradation of energy.